Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a function. So not much to it, just get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to script right here. Just load one in script service. And then you're going to type function if you're going to start a new function. So function, just name it my function. For now, my function. And then two brackets, and then enter. That's simply how you start one. So now anything in here, anything in this area right here, that middle area, is what you're going to use. So yeah, you can put anything you want in here. So let's just say print hello world. This now knows that this now knows what to do. So if that does that, hello world. But it's not going to work. If you just play it, it's not going to do anything. And the reason why is because you haven't called it. How you call a function is you put the name of the function there. My function, this. There. So now it knows that it's calling it. So it knows that this, my function, means to print hello world, and now I am telling it to print it. So this right here, oh no, I deleted it. Okay, this right here is creates the dude, I can't even spell function, and then this is what the function does. So what the function does right there, and then this calls a function. So tells the function to activate. There we go. So keep that in mind. This creates the function. This tells the function what it does, what the function does, yeah. And then this actually tells the function when to end. So that knows like when it ends. So when it says end, that means that's it, end. Also, you cannot call a function from the top. So if you take that right here and you put it on the top, by doing this, just add, I don't know, if my function is above where it calls it, it wouldn't know because the function hasn't been created yet, because the script goes down line. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and it reads that way. It doesn't just read all at once. It reads top to bottom. So it hasn't been created yet. It wouldn't know what my function means. That's why it can only be at the bottom. Also, if you have a long function of just random stuff like this, and you have a bunch of stuff in there, what you would have to do, like if it's all messy like this, hold on, I'm gonna quickly make an example. Just a little quick example here. Print hi. Okay, so say you have a nice big line, it's all going down there and it looks so fancy and neat. But then this, it's not fancy and neat. Just press tab and it should fix it. Go to the top. Oh no. Well, that makes it go forward one. Pressing tab makes it go forward a line, but a little bit double. So if it's like over here like this, and you press tab, it'll kind of fix it up for you. It'll do something that'll help you a little bit. So yeah. technically the basics of how to use a function. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.